Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for February 21st, 2024. Got a lot of movement. Active available homes down 3%, week over week, up 32% year over year. But we're seeing activity. The demand is outstripping the new listings. New listings were up 36% week over week, up 10% year over year. Solds were up just under 1% week over week, up 2% year over year. Pendings were down 3% week over week, up 17% year over year. Days on market sped up quite significantly from last week and over last year. We had 31 average days on market, 9 median, and last year we were at 48 and 23. Median sale price came in about $217,000, down just 1% versus last year, showing flattening in prices, but we've been seeing that recently. I think we've finally topped out. We'll see what the season brings, what the year brings. We know the market's still speeding up. We're selling more homes. Last year we're at 4,262 versus the year before we're at 4,997. So still down 14% year over year, but still that number's lowering. And we have just over 1 month inventory. 1 month inventory is 355 active available homes, and we've got 357. So we're still looking at about 5.97 buyers per listing. So there's still a lot of demand out there for homes, and homes are still, appearing by the numbers here, flying off the shelves. As soon as we can list them, they're going. Price them right. So everyone, make it a great day. Reach out to us if you need anything. Grace and peace.